Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share easy, quick and very effective natural homemade beauty recipes for your face, body and soul. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button below this video. Also, follow us on Facebook, Pinterest and become the part of the community. And in today's video, I would like to share with you a really very easy, very quick and very effective anti-aging spirulina face mask. So if you are interested, then keep on watching the video. Spirulina is a magical seaweed. It is really very rich in chemical content. It contains 18 amino acids, a lot of minerals, unsaturated fatty acids, B vitamins, and is really very good for your skin. Spirulina can help to restore damaged skin. It nourishes, moisturizes, and rejuvenates the skin. And with regular use of this mask or any other mask, spirulina can smooth the wrinkles, prevent anti-aging process, and prevent the flabbiness of the skin. It is also very good for acne-prone skin or if you have acne problem. So let me show you the recipe of the mask. Let me show you the ingredients that I used in this recipe, and then I will tell you how to use it. So that was the recipe, very easy, very quick and very effective. Before making spirulina face mask, make sure that you do not have any allergies for this product because spirulina is a very active ingredient and it can cause redness. So before making any mask with spirulina, make sure that you don't have any allergies doing the patch test. If you don't, then you're good to go. Apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water and apply your favorite moisturizer. If you have rosacea, leave it for 7 to 10 minutes on your skin. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video and the recipe. If you did, let me know in the comment section below this video. Give me thumbs up or thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel either clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you in the next video.